Hey guys, you are watching Droid Crunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about how we can improve our prompts that we are giving to ChatGPT or any other LLM for this matter. Whenever we try to talk with the LLM, we have to give instructions in form of prompts, and these prompts have to be really good, and they have to be inclusive. They have to be well structured and contain the data that you may want as the output. So many people don't know how to write better prompts, and it's very normal. Even I struggle to write my prompts most often, but in this video I'm gonna solve this problem and will let you know how you can write prompts and enhance it really quick, and so that you can get best output out of the box. So the service I am gonna talk about today is OpenAI's service that allows you to optimize your prompts for GPT-5. It not only improves your prompts, but also gives you some details that it followed to improve your prompts, and the kind of instructions that it suggests or gives, you can use yourself as well manually to edit your prompts. So let me give you an example. For example, I write a prompt that create an email template that I can use to write email to the bank for updating my KYC. Okay, so this is my short, simple and sleek prompt that I'm gonna use, but it can include more information or declude something. So just I want to request a change, that's an optional. It will optimize even if you don't allow what you want to optimize, but I can say like make it better. I can also say it like shorten, improve in words like improve. Okay, and it will take into account and optimize my prompt. It will scan all the corrections. So yeah, it has improved. Create a professional, I didn't write professional the word, and clear email template that I can use to contact the bank to request an update to my KYC, know your customer information. You can see what it changed. Just click on this review changes button here and you will see what it did. Okay, it rephrased instructions for clarity and professionalism, addressing the improve request by making the language more formal and precise. The reasoning behind the change, I specified that email template should be professional and clear, which satisfies the request for improvement by raising the standard and explicitness of the prompt. And the same way it added the know your customer for the acronym KYC, so that it has more clarity and ensures that the prompt is fully understood. So yeah, that is the developer message, and you can hide the changes. You just copy your new prompt and paste in right in your LLM, whether it is ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, or any other LLM for this matter. But this feature is also available, not this exactly, but the similar one in Merlin application we have used. I will leave a link in the description if you haven't tried Merlin. Merlin is an application that allows you to interact with many LLMs right into one application. Okay, so now you can choose any model from here, whether you want to do reasoning, you want to do coding, you want to do writing, or speed matters you the most. So you can choose the models based on your requirements or the categories defined in here, and you can attach, you can do research, you can use web search enabled, and all of those features are available. Or you can use auto model selection, so it will choose the model based on your prompt and give you the results. So this allows you to auto enhance your prompts. For example, I write create, okay, this one, the same one, and it will give you an option over here, to enhance the prompt. It will take 2 credits for that, but it's very minimal. So I'm just gonna enhance it. Okay, so it just enhanced the prompt and wrote like a draft a formal email requesting the bank to update your KYC details, included full name, account number, and the specific information on documents you wish to update. Clearly state your request, mention any deadline if applicable, and include contact information for follow-up. Ensure tone remains professional and concise. But it added a lot of information compared to this OpenAI's own optimize tool. Okay, so this is more useful because it will not gonna add something that you don't want, but this is going to update a lot of information. It is going to make your prompt lengthy. So both are different services. You can also use Originality AI prompt enhancement tool as well if you want to, but I would suggest to use this new OpenAI platform. You will just write OpenAI prompt in optimizer and you're gonna get this link over here, and you can just so this one is the right one, and you just have to log in and then you can use it. So this is really useful. I hope you're gonna make use of it in your LM journey, in your own AI chats. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can just write down below in the comments, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. So keep watching my videos and stay subscribed if you have already, or subscribe if you haven't already done, and like this video, and I see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.